Hello everyone, this is my project 2 for the course of CS50. Now it's the index page, the first page. I'm not singing, so I try to do something. For example, add to the watch list. I have to be authenticated to do that. So I log in, I put my username, my password, save. For example, here's some articles, so I can add to the watch list. Well done, your item is in the watch list, so you can see the item here. I can remove that. Okay, I try to add another item, so I can put a price, for example 200. Place bit, well done, and say mention something here. Your bit is the here bit, so perfect. Can I comment? Nice toy. Okay, here's the comment. Can I looking for categories? For example, fun articles. Here's the categories, and this direct another page. If I create the item, can I close that? For example, close bit. And here I mentioned the listing was sold to Lucia, so this is the person. Here I can create a new listing. I don't know, fun. I add a category, fun articles. I don't know. A base bit, maybe 60. Okay, the item was added. Here can I log out if I want, and this is the admin site. My username, my password. And I can configure something. Listen, I can add, delete the category. Can I add new ones? The watch list, the objects. And that's it. Thank you for watching.